Check out Belle in the rain. Belly Bee! Maybe there's some better one here. There she is. How cute is that? She's going to her normal spot. Belly Bee! Belly Bee! What? Then you got all these guys. Let's see chicken shit to go out into the rain. So they stay on the porch. And Cinnamon being a bitch. Luna, or Jasmine. What are you doing that? Oh. Cinnamon. Why you gotta be so mean? That's cute. There she is. Best to just let her do her thing. Cinnamon is being very well behaved. She's just a little chatty. She doesn't ever actually beat up on him. There's George. Luna, you guys look like you're being abused. Jasmine, hiding behind the chair. Oh, here she comes. There's Belle. See how it's raining? There's my Belle. Brave. She doesn't know any better. Ooh, trotting along. Ooh! When she did that. Ooh, in circles. Another circle. I think she's about to do her thing, so I'm going to take the camera off. Nobody wants to see that. They're all just like, what is she doing? Oh, Cinnamon's ready to go in. Okay, that's it. Inside the house. To dry vans. Cinnamon, wait, Cinnamon, look. Let's get a close up. Look at my boo-boo. That's the cutest dog ever. Right? No? No shot.